Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how to draw the number line. So we will have a lot of questions here, so hopefully by the end of the video you're very clear how to draw the number line. The only focus is to draw the number line. Okay, now this is taught in form 2 first of all, but then it's used until DSC, and hopefully you will know how to draw it, because drawing is very important, especially when you learn the topic inequalities. So here, first of all, you are given an unknown, and then you're given this kind of symbol. Sometimes it's this way, sometimes it could be this, sometimes it could be this, or sometimes it could be this. It could be any of these. So what's the difference between all of these? First of all, this one means lesser and also equal. This one means greater, this one's greater, and also the equal sign, and this one is less. So when you see this one, then when you draw, there's a little bit difference between both of them. This one and this one is both less, but then this one has the equal sign. So that means in your answer 5 is also included, but for this one 5 is not included. So let's draw. For your number line, your first step is to have that graph. If possible, please use ruler, and then you should be having a 0 first. 0 is there to help you define whether which side is positive and which side is negative. On your left side, because we say it's negative, so we will write it as -1, -2, -3, and so on. Now we don't need it, so even for right side 1, 2, 3, these all things, but you don't need all of them right now. What you need is just the number 5. This number 5 is positive now, right? So I will just have to write that. The others I don't need it, so I will have the number 5 on the right side or left side. First of all, it's a positive, so it will be on right side, and then you have to decide it's getting lesser or equals to. Lesser, is it on the left side or is it on the right side? Less than, so you will go to this side. And then in the end you also have to draw the circle on top. But this circle, when do we blacken and when do we leave it empty? If there is an equal sign, so include that answer, then you blacken the circle. But if there is no equal sign, if it was these cases, then you leave it empty. Okay, clear? So that's the answer. Let's try next one. No matter what's the unknown, you want to be less than or equals to 3, so draw the number line first. Okay, there's a 0, and this number is positive or negative? Positive, so it's on the right side, and then it's getting lesser and equals to, so it's go to the left side. Do I blacken the circle? Yes, because there is an equal sign here. Okay, so let's continue. We have few similar questions, and then we will try something more in next few videos as well. So there's a 0 and the negative number. So negative number, is it on the right side or is it on the left side? Left side, good. And then now it's getting lesser, right? So lesser, you will go to the left side. Do I blacken the circle? Yes, because there's an equal sign. Let's continue this one. Again, draw the number line first. If I'm too quick, you can always pause the video and think on your own first. So there's a 0, there's a negative number. Is it on right side or left side? Left side, good. And then it's getting lesser, so this side, is there equal sign? Yes, so you blacken it. Let's continue. So this one as well, you draw the number line first, and then you have your 0 number, and then this is 54. Is it a positive or is it a negative? Positive, so you put it here, and then it's getting lesser and equals to as well. So be quicker. Again, you have a number line, you have your 0 point, and then this is a negative number, so is it on left side or right side? Left side, and it's getting lesser, so you put it on the left side. The arrows goes to the left, it's getting smaller and smaller. Let's continue. So number line 0, is it a positive or negative? Positive, so is it on left side or right side? Right side, so is it getting lesser or bigger? Oh, this time it's getting bigger and equals to, so you will draw to right side. Do I blacken? Yes, because there's an equal sign. Continue. Okay, number line, there's a 0. Is it a positive number or a negative number? Positive, so you draw it, go to the right side, equal it, and we continue. This is just basically, you can do it on your own, and then always pause the video and then do it, and then check if you are correct. So you're also going bigger, so that way, even though it's a negative number, you still draw it that way. You draw, this is just to define whether you're on the left side or the right side. 0 is there to help you, and then this one helps you define if it's positive or is it larger or is it lesser. Okay, next, draw the line, draw the 0. Is it a positive, negative? Negative, and it's getting bigger, so you put it that side, and there's an equal sign, so you blacken it as well. And let's just continue. Number line, 0, positive numbers on the right side, it's getting bigger. Continue. So number line, there's a 0, and then there's a negative number, it's getting bigger. So this video will be until here. We have more questions, of course, but then I'm gonna continue that in the next video. So that's all. Thank you.